I've been coming to the World Balloon Convention. I attended in 2010, then I came in 12 and in 14. I just love the opportunity to be able to get inspired and to learn new things. I'm so happy that Pioneer puts on this convention. It is a wonderful learning experience as well as networking experience, and I'm looking forward already to the next convention.
Oh, I have picked up so much. I took the Decor Fundamentals class the first day, and that was pretty much the building blocks for all the rest of the decor classes. And it has just been exciting and fun. There's so much to take in, and if I had to do it all over again, I would bring a video recorder.
This is my second World Balloon Convention. It's just a great event to come and learn new decorating skills. We've gone more into the twisting ones this year, which has been some great classes, and you learn a lot that you can take back to your business and just help grow your business and keep your business being profitable.
I actually run a retail store. I am primarily a decorating company though, and so certainly coming here, of course they have a lot of classes that include decorations essentials, and so I always enjoy it. And of course when you come here you can always add on, and so I've learned a lot of twisting as well that I incorporate in my designs, and that gives me the competitive edge, because there are a couple other persons who do it, but I like to always be on cutting edge, and that's why I always come.
And I'm attending WBC this year to further my education in decor. I've been a twister for about 17 years or so, since I was 9, and I really want to get into decor, and so that's the main reason why I came this year.